it's 5 kcs, but it can be unlocked through the menu system. You don't need to unlock it though, because the VFO or channel changer changes in whichever step you want, from 100 hertz to 1 kilohertz to 10 kilohertz to 100 kilohertz to 1 megahertz. So quick QSYs are very easy just by pressing in the channel changer stroke VFO. And the clarifier is left on receive. The volume is good from its own speaker, and the power output is very good also. Much more than they actually say that it is. It is obviously programmable via a PC and cable, and the software and cable is supplied, but it's not necessary because, you know, you can change as you can any other amateur radio, so it doesn't really require memories.